Arctic King 7 cubic foot chest freezer. As the biggest unit on the list, it may be hard to believe that this is one of the best compact freezers on the list as well. The Arctic King 7 cubic foot chest freezer may often be considered as a cheap deep freezer. This unit opens and closes like your standard deep freezer from the top. Unlike upright freezers, storage for these units is often hard to access. Despite this unit is one of the best for those looking for massive storage from a smallish unit. In terms of measurement, the unit stands at 20.6 inches in length, 37.2 inches in width, and 33.5 inches in height. Perfect for small business owners looking to store meats or drinks, the unit allows for temperature control by offering an adjustable thermostat. Within the unit, you can expect to find a solid interior that's easy to clean. You will also find a basket that can be used for storing and organizing small items. At the bottom of the unit, you will find a drain plug that works wonders when it comes time to defrost. Defrosting can usually get messy. However, with the drain, it will be easy to control the water flow that's expected from a good defrost. The unit will also operate with little to no noise. Now for some pros. It has massive storage capacity, a compact and lightweight design, an affordable, or you may even say cheap, deep freezer. How about a con? It requires more space than the others.